Hi Gilbert, today is Wednesday, June 10th, and this is your update. Our total case count for COVID-19 in Arizona is 29,852 cases. Our total deaths in Arizona is 1,095. In Maricopa County, there are 15,282 confirmed cases and 519 deaths. And in Gilbert, our total case count is 436 cases, and we are still 3%, which is very consistent since May 19th, 3% of the total amount of Maricopa County cases. We are seeing a spike in the percentage of individuals who are testing positive. So we've been tracking this number consistently throughout. Last Wednesday, the total number of people that take the test or take a COVID-19 test, 6.8% of those were positive last Wednesday. Today, the percent positive is 7.7%. And that is a number that we're keeping an eye on and that we feel like is an indicator that the disease actually is increasing. We wanted to give you one more update because people are talking about this in the news. ICU beds are at 79% capacity according to Arizona Department of Health Services, and the available beds do not include the additional 600 ICU and 2,600 inpatient surgical beds. So there was some confusion over data in times past. That confusion has been sorted out, but we wanted to make sure you knew that ICU beds in the state of Arizona are at 79% capacity, but that we do have some surge available as well. We also have never reported this number, but DHS is pointing us to this number as well. The ventilator usage increased to 46% of the total capacity of ventilators are in use. You probably, if you're following any national news, you're seeing that Arizona is making headlines across the country for the increase in cases. I just want to emphasize that it's so important for all of us to continue to remain vigilant, to be washing our hands, to be wearing a mask if possible. And there's so much conflicting information out there, but there was a press conference by Maricopa County Health today, and they did indicate that they are seeing higher numbers of protection by wearing a mask. I know it's become somewhat of a political statement. That's unfortunate, and I am not weighing in one way or the other of whether it is or isn't, but if you would like to wear a mask, the science is indicating that that is something that can help you and especially help those who are vulnerable. I just wanted to also quote Director Marcy Flanagan from Maricopa County Health, who said that until we do have a vaccine, we have to create a new normal. And that new normal really has to be vigilant about hand washing and about sanitizing and making sure that if you have any symptoms that you're getting the proper health care that you need. So we just wanted to emphasize that aspect today because the numbers aren't good, and we again want to just make sure that our residents are informed and take precautions as needed and necessary. We are, on another note, shifting gears to the conversation of race, both in Gilbert, but in the state of Arizona and in the country. Tonight is our first listening session, and so I'm excited to meet with many of our residents in Gilbert. This is the first of what we hope are many opportunities for us to meet. So we will be spreading out for this listening session, but we do hope to have virtual options as well in the future. So we just want you to know that we continue in this effort, and we did make an announcement that starting tomorrow night at the community center, there will be some opportunities. So check our social media channels and our website to find out more about ways that you can bring your family and learn and have a conversation with a police officer and make sure that we're all on the same page. So Gilbert, we're grateful for you. We have an amazing community and an amazing town team that are working really hard, both visibly and behind the scenes. So please continue to do your part. We sure appreciate you. All right, thanks.